There's something timeless about a frozen strawberry daiquiri. The color alone stops you in your tracks. That vibrant, sun-kissed red that instantly feels like summer in a glass. It's the kind of drink that turns an ordinary afternoon into a patio party, a backyard barbecue into a celebration, a simple gathering into something worth remembering. This isn't just a cocktail, this is texture, this is color, this is cold, smooth, strawberry perfection. Today we're building it pitcher style because when we do it on Cooking with Rod, we do it for the whole table. No tiny servings, no waiting your turn, just thick, frosty, blended strawberries balanced with fresh lime and smooth white rum. Poured generously and served ice cold. What makes this version special isn't just the ingredients, it's the structure. We build the flavor in layers, we control the texture, we lock that bold strawberry brightness, we finish with a slushy consistency that holds its shape in the glass. You'll see the deep red vortex forming in the blender. You'll see it freeze and refresh beautifully. You'll see it poured thick and smooth into chilled glasses. And when this garnish hits, fresh strawberries, bright lime wedge, it becomes more than a drink. It becomes a centerpiece. This recipe is party ready, make ahead friendly, freezer acceptable, easy to refresh and reblend, bold, balanced, and dangerously smooth. Whether you're serving it at summer cookout, a birthday party, or just because it's Friday night, this pitcher always delivers. Consistency, flavor, and visual impact. So grab your blender, chill your glasses, get your strawberries ready. We're about to turn frozen fruit into something unforgettable. Let's make it happen. We start with the foundation, frozen strawberries, 4 full cups. They're not just fruit, they're texture, body, and color. Frozen berries gives us that thick, slushy consistency without watering the drink down. And they hit the measuring cup, you can already see that deep ruby tone that defines the entire cocktail. Now the backbone, 1 cup of smooth white rum, clean, crisp, and natural enough to let the strawberries shine while still delivering that unmistakable daiquiri character. This is where the cocktail earns its identity. Freshly squeezed lime juice changes everything. Bottled lime can't compete. That bright citrus aroma cuts through the sweetness and sharpens the flavor profile. It's the balance point that keeps this drink refreshing instead of sugary. Simple syrup is the control. It allows you to dial in the sweetness precisely. We add half a cup to start, enough to enhance the strawberries without overpowering them. This step is about balance. Ice reinforces the frozen texture and ensures the blend locks into that thick, spoonable consistency. This is structural ice, not dilution ice. Cold glass meets frozen drink. That temperature contrast keeps the daiquiri from melting too quickly and gives you that frosted professional presentation. Fresh strawberries, bright lime wedges, clean cuts. Garnish isn't decoration, it's aroma and visual storytelling. Everything staged, blender locked in, ingredients ready. This is where the transformation begins. The frozen berries go in first, anchoring the blend. Rum pours over the strawberries, beginning the fusion. Add the lime juice, citrus hits the mix, lifting the aroma instantly. Add the simple syrup, sweetness integrates, rounding out the acidity. Add ice, ice completes the structural build. Secure the lid, lock it tight. Once it starts, there's no halfway blending. Pulse the blender, short bursts break down the frozen chunks without overworking the motor. Blend on high, now the vortex forms, the strawberries collapse into a smooth, thick whirlpool of red. Stop and scrape down the sides. If needed, pause, let the gravity settle. Make sure nothing sticks to the sides. The final high blend, full power, smooth, cohesive, slushy perfection. Taste and adjust, always taste. Too tart, add a touch more syrup. Too sweet, a splash more lime. One last blend ensures everything is evenly balanced and silky. Frosted glasses sets the stage. Pour into the pitcher. Thick, vibrant red cascades from the blender to the pitcher, smooth and glossy. Fill the glasses. Each pour holds its shape. That's the texture you're looking for. Settle the mixture. A gentle tap levels the surface and releases any trapped air pockets. Garnish with a strawberry on the rim, lime wedge tucked beside it, fresh, clean, vibrant. Final presentation, 2 glasses side by side, balanced, polished, ready to serve. This is where the drink becomes cinematic. We wipe condensation, we adjust the lighting, we let the red glow under the warm bar tones. We style strawberries and lime for a visual texture. This is the difference between a drink and a showpiece. Leftovers? No problem. Store in an airtight container. Freeze fully. Maintain texture by stirring periodically. This pitcher version is built for flexibility. Remove from the freezer. Break into chunks. Return it to the blender. Reblend until smooth again. The texture comes back beautifully, just as thick, just as vibrant as the first pour. Final repour into chilled glasses. Garnish refreshed, and you're back to party ready status. This isn't just a frozen drink, it's color, texture, balance, and control, step by step. And that's how we build a frozen strawberry daiquiri pitcher, the cooking with rod way. Some notes from the bartender. Strawberry quality changes everything. Not all frozen strawberries are equal. If your berries are pale, watery, heavily iced over, your daiquiri will lack depth and natural sweetness. Look for deep red color, minimal frost buildup in the bag, no large ice clusters. If strawberries aren't peak quality, add 2 to 3 fresh strawberries to boost aroma. A tiny pinch of salt to amplify the sweetness. Salt doesn't make it salty, it makes the strawberries taste more like strawberries. Fresh lime is non-negotiable. Bottled lime juice will flatten the drink. Fresh lime gives bright top notes, sharp aromatic lift, clean finish. Pro tip, roll your limes firmly on the counter before cutting to release more juice. If your strawberries are very sweet, increase lime slightly to maintain balance. Rum choice matters. Classic daiquiris use white rum, clean and crisp. If you want to elevate it, use a lightly aged rum for depth. Add a ½ ounce of orange liqueur to the pitcher for brightness. Avoid heavy spiced rum. It muddies the strawberry flavor. The goal is balance, not overpowering alcohol presence. Texture is the whole game. The perfect frozen daiquiri should hold its shape briefly when poured, have a smooth slush consistency, not be watery, not be icy chunky. If it's too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water or lime juice. If it's too thin, add a handful of frozen strawberries and reblend. Frozen strawberries provide thickness without dilution. That's why they go in first. Freezer strategy. The pitcher recipe is freezer friendly. To freeze properly, use an airtight container.
Press plastic wrap directly on the surface if storing long term. Stir every few hours to prevent large ice crystals. To revive, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature. Break into chunks, reblend until smooth. It returns to its original texture beautifully. Glassware matters. Chilled glasses equals slow melt rate, preserves the slushy texture, improves presentation. Margarita glasses also work beautifully for a more tropical vibe. Garnish with intention. Strawberry on the rim is visual anchor. Lime wedge is aromatic burst. Optional upgrades, a tiny mint sprig. Sugar the rim with lime zest. Strawberry slice fan cut. Garnish should enhance aroma, not overwhelm the drink. Sweetness control. Taste before serving. Strawberries vary wildly in sweetness. If it's too tart, add 1 tablespoon of simple syrup at a time. If it's too sweet, add half a tablespoon of fresh lime juice. Always adjust in small increments. Alcohol balance for parties. For larger gatherings, slightly reduce the rum by 1/4 cup if the guests prefer lighter drinks, serving it mid-afternoon, or pairing it with heavy food. For a stronger profile, increase the rum by 2 to 3 tablespoons. Keep the texture thick so the alcohol doesn't dominate. The professional finish. A well-made frozen daiquiri should be vibrant red, smell fresh and citrus forward, taste balanced, not sugary, leave a clean finish. No syrupy aftertaste, no heavy alcohol burn, no watery melt, just cold, smooth strawberry brightness. This pitcher version is built for backyard parties, summer gatherings, make-ahead prep, freezer storage, repeat blending without quality loss. It's simple, but when it's executed correctly, it feels premium. And that's the difference between a frozen drink and a properly built frozen strawberry daiquiri pitcher. And just like that, we've taken something simple, strawberries, lime, rum, and ice, and turned it into something bold, vibrant, and unforgettable. That deep ruby color, that thick frozen texture, that clean citrus finish. This isn't just a drink you blend and forget. It's a drink you build with intention, from measuring frozen strawberries to forming the perfect vortex in the blender, from chilling the glasses to locking in the garnish. Every step shapes the final pour, and when it hits the frosted glass, smooth, slushy, and holding its form, you know you did it right. The beauty of this pitcher version is flexibility. Serve immediately and enjoy that ultra smooth texture. Freeze it for later and bring it back to life with a quick reblend. Dial the sweetness up or down to fit your crowd. It's party ready, it's make ahead friendly, and it delivers every single time. That's the cooking with Rod way. Structure, balance, and consistency. If you enjoyed this frozen strawberry daiquiri pitcher, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who loves summer cocktails, save it for your next backyard gathering, and if you're building your own cocktail collection, this one belongs in your fruity and refreshing drinks lineup without question. Until next time, keep your glasses chilled, keep your blender ready, and keep building bold flavor. I'm Rod, and this is Cooking with Rod. See you in the next one.